Lovely people, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to fix the quality problem or the if your Instagram stories are blurry, how can you fix it? So first of all, try to set up your camera settings because if you click a low quality photo, it is gonna upload as a low quality one and it will get blurry too. So what you have to do is just to set up your phone's camera accordingly. Try to click it in um, high resolution as much as possible, and then just once you click it, you have to go to your Instagram, and once in there, just head over to the story section and upload the message, upload the photo you want. Let's say this one. I clicked it in a very high resolution. So once you do it, you can just tap on your story and it will just upload in the high resolution. And if the problem still persists, you can just go back and go to your Play Store and search for Instagram. And once in there, see if there is any sort of uh, update available. So if there is, then you can just update it from here. So yeah, this is how you can do it. But this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.